Why does your scanner show the P2784 engine code? What does it mean? P2784 is a diagnostic trouble code for input or turbine speed sensor A and B correlation. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM or TCM has detected a problem with the signals from the turbine speed sensor. Specifically, the signals from sensor A and sensor B are not correlating as expected, which can lead to improper shifting. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Speed sensor malfunction, internal transmission issues, low or contaminated transmission fluid, PCM or TCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge Charger and Jeep Cherokee. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.